Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Pragmata and you keep getting this problem, the game keeps crashing and this crash report tool keeps popping up, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Pragmata easily. So first off, what you'll need to do is you'll need to open up your game's platform. So Steam for me, you're going to right click on Pragmata, go into properties, go into install files and then click verify integrity of game files on Pragmata. Once it's done with verifying your game's files, now you're going to go ahead and update your graphic card's drivers. So you're going to open up your web browser, go on to AMD GPU. If you have an AMD card, I'll show you Intel and NVIDIA afterwards. You're going to go on to resources and support, click drivers then. You're going to scroll down, click graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphics card series and then model, click submit, download the latest driver on your Windows. And after that, you're going to go into intel.com. Here, what you're going to do is you're going to click onto support and then click download center. And then you're going to click onto graphics here. And here, you're going to search for your graphics card and then you're going to go ahead and download the latest graphics cards drivers on your computer. And now I'll show you NVIDIA. You're going to go on to nvidia.com, click drivers. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form here. So select your graphics card, select your operating system and then click find and it will find the latest GeForce Game Ready driver for you. Once it's done with that, you can go ahead and download and install the latest drivers. After you're done installing the drivers, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Pragmata, you'll see that your game will now work. You will not face that error anymore. So this guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.